Okay, so I'm going to start the anionic polymerization, mechanism of anionic polymerization today. You know that in cationic polymerization, this cationic polymerization involves the formation of carbonium ion, whereas in anionic polymerization, there is a formation of carbon ion in the initiation step. Formation of carbon ion takes place in the initiation step. So this polymerization of vinyl monomers with an electron withdrawing group can proceed by an anionic mechanism. Cationic polymerization में initiator हम कौन सा use कर रहे थे? Electron donating group. In anionic polymerization, formation of carbon ion will take place by the electron withdrawing group. So first step is the chain initiation step. Beta, you can open the PDF. I am sharing the screen but unable to see the screen. So come to the page anionic polymerization of this PDF. If anybody can share the screen, the anionic polymerization. I am stop sharing the screen. If any other student can share the screen, please share. So come to the initiation step. The initiators or the catalysts used in the anionic addition polymerization are strong bases. Cationic polymerization में these were the Lewis acids. But in case of addition polymerization, anionic addition polymerization, the catalyst, initiator catalyst used are the strong bases, such as the organoalkali compounds, like the alkyl or aryl derivatives of alkali metals, like N-butyl lithium, ethyl sodium, etc. Except these, the alkali metal amides, hydroxides, etc. can also be used. See the example here, the butyl lithium. Butyl lithium is used as the initiator in the polymerization of the vinyl polymer. बेटा जो सेकेंड पीडीएफ है पॉलीमराइजेशन मैकेनिज्म, उसमें से शेयर करो. So the first step is the chain initiation step, in which butyl lithium attacks to the monomer unit, that is a vinyl monomer, and lithium has a positive charge and butyl group has a negative charge. So this catalyst attack over the vinyl monomer and the chain initiation step starts. So the negative charge comes over the monomer chain. Monomer पे negative charge means the formation of the carbon ion. Carbon atom having negative charge is actually the carbon ion. So here you can see the formation of the carbon ion, because lithium जो है वो cation है, that will be attached to this growing chain as a counter ion. I have told you in last class that in free radical polymerization and in anionic polymerization, जो आपका counter ion है, that will remain attached to the polymer by the end of the reaction. Whereas in case of cationic polymerization, the catalyst regenerates at the end of the reaction. So, in initiation of the anionic polymerization, the electron pair is pushed to the end of the molecule, forming the carbon ion. So, lithium cation is the counter ion. Now, come to the second step, that is the propagation step. In initiation step, the attack of the catalyst to the monomer unit and the formation of carbon ion takes place. In propagation step, the second step of the mechanism, the carbon ion formed propagates the chain growth by attacking the second monomer unit. ये जो आपका कार्बन आयन है वो क्या करेगा? This will attack to the second monomer and pushing its pi electron pair further away to the end and forming a sigma bond with the new monomer unit. So sigma bond with the new monomer unit means a single bond formation. और जो इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर है वो कहां से? इट विल पुश फर्दर अवे टू द एंड and there will be formation of sigma bond. By this way, the chain will grow, and this growing chain has negative charge over the carbon. So it is a carbon growing chain. Also, growing chain is also a carbon ion. And a counter ion, lithium counter ion, is attached to this growing chain. In a similar way, more and more number of monomer units, monomer molecules will come to this active species. जो carbon ion है, carbon ion every time will attack to the new monomer, and new monomer will join to this carbon ion by forming a sigma bond. तो ये नेगेटिव चार्ज जो है वो मूव करता जा रहा है and chain is growing. So in the case of the anionic polymerization, the movement of the pi electron is towards the direction of the chain growth. Pi electron किस तरफ मूव कर रहा है? The movement of the pi electron is towards the direction of chain growth. जबकि in case of cationic polymerization, the movement of the pi electron is opposite to the chain growth. You can see the PDF you have कि जो cationic polymerization है उसमें चेन किधर ग्रोथ होती है? अपोजिट टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द मूवमेंट ऑफ पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन, जबकि यहाँ पर मूवमेंट ऑफ पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन इज टुवर्ड्स द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द चेन ग्रोथ. Third step is the termination step. The termination in anionic polymerization is not a spontaneous process. Propagation can proceed indefinitely or until all the monomer is consumed. First, spontaneous जो anionic polymerization termination, it is a spontaneous process, and it continues until all the monomer units are consumed. That's why this anionic polymerization is also referred as the living polymerization, because the carbon ions at the chain ends remain potentially active. As you add the fresh monomer, as you add the fresh quantity of the monomer, polymerization again goes on until the added polymer is consumed. So in case of cationic and free radical, dead polymer is formed. But in case of anionic polymer, living polymer is formed. It is called a living polymerization mechanism, because the process is spontaneous and it continues until all the monomer units consumed in the formation of the polymer. Termination is generally accomplished by the transfer of the negative charge to a species. And this species is not directly involved in the reaction. चेन ट्रांसफर के थ्रू टर्मिनेशन इज पॉसिबल। लेकिन ये चेन ट्रांसफर कैसे होगा? कोई एक ऐसी स्पीशीज निगेटिव चार्ज ट्रांसफर हो जाए किसी आउटर स्पीशीज को, जो रिएक्शन में इन्वॉल्व नहीं है, उसको ऐड करना पड़ेगा, जिससे नेगेटिव चार्ज, क्योंकि जो ग्रोइंग चेन है ये क्या है? इट इज दिस ग्रोइंग चेन हैज अ नेगेटिव चार्ज। तो अगर ये नेगेटिव चार्ज जो है वो किसी दूसरी स्पीशीज को ट्रांसफर हो जाए, देन चेन प्रोपोगेशन विल स्टॉप। तो इसके लिए जो एक्सटर्नल स्पीशीज, आउटर स्पीशीज जो ऐड करते हैं वो कौन सी है? लाइक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, मिथेनॉल, वाटर एक्सेट्रा। And you can see in the free radical polymerization, the initiating species has been incorporated. और यही इसमें भी है कि जो ब्यूटाइल है, इनिशिएटिंग स्पीशीज क्या है? ब्यूटाइल, which is creating a negative charge over the monomer species that will remain incorporated at the end of the polymerization or attached to the terminated polymer. यहाँ पे you can see in the reaction, जहाँ पर लिखा है for termination step का जो reaction है, where the charge transfer takes place by the water. So in this reaction you can see there is a mistake. When the polymer is formed, the positive charge will be over the lithium ion and negative over the OH ion. You can see here the mistake, the positive charge is over OH plus ion and negative charge is over lithium. It should be positive over lithium and negative over OH minus. Okay, so please correct it. Some examples of the monomer which undergo the anionic polymerizations are the butadiene, isoprene, styrene, and acrylonitrile. And the strong electron withdrawing groups. Which produce the carbon ion. And so formed, and the hence anionic polymerization takes place with the monomer having CN group, COOR group, and vinyl groups. The reactivity of carbon ions with oxygen, CO2, is very high. Okay, so the polymer which are the monomer units and the initiators which are used for the polymerization process should be free from the impurities. क्योंकि अभी आपको क्या बताया कि जो एनायनिक पॉलीमराइजेशन है, ये पॉलीमराइजेशन अपने आप जो है वो स्टॉप नहीं, ये कब टर्मिनेट होगा रिएक्शन? जबकि सारे के सारे मोनोमर यूनिट जो है वो आपके कंज्यूम हो जाएंगे, या फिर जैसे कोई भी यूनिट जिसपे हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है वो पेयर को ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं, जो नेगेटिव चार्ज को ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं, तो वो कौन सी स्पीशीज? जैसे वाटर, CO2, मिथेनॉल, ये और यही एज ए इम्प्योरिटी प्रेजेंट होते हैं केमिकल में। ठीक है, तो इनसे जो है वो इजीली रिएक्ट कर जाता है। तो अगर आपका इनिशिएटर या मोनोमर, सपोज यू आर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म द पॉलीमराइजेशन ऑफ द polyacrylonitrile from acrylonitrile, but it has impurity of CO2 और मिथेनॉल, तो क्या होगा? रिएक्शन स्टार्ट होगा और बीच में टर्मिनेट हो जाएगा, बिकॉज दिस impurities easily react with the growing chain and will terminate the reaction. So it is necessary step. So anionic polymerization में precaution is needed, because a living polymer is formed means the reaction is spontaneous and continuous formation of the polymer or propagation step will continue until all the monomer units consume. Only you can terminate the reaction by adding the electron attracting species. electron या negative charge withdrawing species like water, CO2, methanol. That's why the chemicals which are used, chemical means the monomers, initiator and solvent in which reaction has to be performed. The medium in which reaction has to be performed, that should be free from the impurities. Otherwise, proper formation of long chain polymer will not form. So you can see here the mechanism, anionic polymerization mechanism of the acrylonitrile. Acrylonitrile is CS2 CHCN. Catalyst or initiator used as butyl lithium. So stabilized ion CN butyl will attack to the monomer unit. A negative charge will come over the carbon to form the carbon ion, and lithium ion will attach as a counter ion. In the propagation step, more monomer units will attach to the active species or growing chain, and propagation step will stop. In termination, water will use as the terminating agent. So the charge transfer to the H. Water dissociate into the H plus and OH ion. H plus react with the carbon ion to terminate the chain, and lithium will react to the OH ion. So you can see here that the counter ion is incorporated butyl. Butyl is the chain initiation step. इससे start किया butyl. So it will remain incorporated to the terminated polymer, as in case of the free radical polymerization. Only in the cationic polymerization, the attached initiator regenerated at the end of the polymerization step. Okay, you have second class. Sir will be waiting for you. So I will have to stop the class. Today the lecture is short due to some technical issue. In next class, we will start with the coordination polymerization. Please send me the screenshot. Okay.